Mama, tonight I'm taking care of business. A hand model, please. Miss Savage Hunter. People wanted to know more about the box. We're using dark chocolate, mixed slowly to retain more good aminos. The ingredients are safe for vegans, granola, certified kosher and halal. Because of the box's popularity, it may take up to 30 days to be mailed to you. Also want this product in every school, in South America to Africa to Europe and Russia. The learning and health benefits of the box, no more fairy bread. My personal favourite, rum and raisin. And remember, you can be multi-skilled and multi-talented to beat the multinationals.